The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, driver airbag, driver lumbar, anti-theft security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.